smash it this way. Nice, go on.
Haven't moved yet.
Yeah, it's over, yeah. Look again. Go on. Hang on. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Oh, sexy that, Tom. Right, we're going to struggle now, hang on. Think. Yeah, it's that one. What's this side? Yeah. I'll tell you what.
I'm strong, aren't I? Right.
Yeah, try it. Right, hang on. If I put that there. Right, this is going to like tip it now. Whoa. What was that? That'll do, see that, I think, for a bit. You. Good morning. That was hard, wasn't it? Been thinking about this shed for the last couple of weeks, even thought about it on holiday, how we're going to move it, where we're going to put it if we do move it. So we sleeping around it. I was like, right, let's do it out. Egyptians do it. Put a spade, a bar, which was over this sleeper here. Prop it up and push against it. Obviously it'll move. So what is it? 2.4, 8-foot shed. Yes, it's 2.4. So that's about too far. I might just need to give it a little more push, but we'll get so far down, stone up, pave it, and then pull it back on to this patio and pave this half. But that has been thinking about it. What can we do? So it went well, to be honest. I expected it to be right over here, so we could hardly get through, and we'll come back on Monday, it'll be falling out floor, it'll blown away, do you know what I mean? So it's fine, less stress. So now just put this dry mix on, and inside that step, obviously the whacker can't get there, so what we'll try and do is, what we will do, dry mix inside it. Obviously it compacts itself, just goes off, doesn't it, with plenty of cement. But yeah, that's today's plan really, and if I get a time I'm going to put this sleeper in down here, but I think we'll just focus on this area. Bit of faffing about next week, they're off on holiday and stuff next Friday. I'm off on holiday next Friday again for a few days, and it's just, Tom's off on holiday the following Tuesday, and it's just trying not to open another job up and do this, and depending what job, next job, and you want to finish this job but you don't want to open another job up, it's hard. Might have a few days off, who knows, we'll see what we do. Catch you in a bit. guys, we're done for another week. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking by us this week. It's been quite a long week. It's only been 4 days, but I feel like it's been quite intense. So I went to chiropractor this morning. So my back today's, they're more or less set it on fire, reset it all, and it was just aching at them. Fed up with it. It's boring now. It's doing me head in. But yeah, that patio now, we should be done by Tuesday on that, because I'm off away on Friday. Tom's off away the following Tuesday. And it's just try to get stuff done and try to get all heavy stuff done. I don't know how it's going to pan out. I want to open another job up. This driveway up's quite big and fast, and it's good money, but I can't do it on my own. There's no point. I'll end up having a month off work, so what's the point? But got my little mascot, look. She's here. If she's not on you, she's on you constantly. She's got to touch you, no matter where she is. Even if she's just laying over your slipper, or she's on the floor and you've got your foot on her, and then she'll, you just leave slipper on her. She thinks you're still touching her. She'll just stay there for hours. But yes, guys, I'll see you all on Monday. All fresh, nice rested back, and ready to go again. See you soon.